Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Google Photos app on your phone. A lot of people get confused because, unlike most apps, Google Photos doesn't have a direct sign out button. But don't worry, I'll show you the right way to do it. Alright, first, open the Google Photos app on your phone. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture or initial icon. This will open your account menu where you can see which Google account is currently signed in. Now, if you look closely, there's no sign out button here. That's because Google Photos is directly linked to your Google account on your device. To sign out, what you need to do is remove your Google account from the phone or from the Photos app itself. Here's how to do it. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, depending on your device. Then, select the Google account that's signed in. Tap Remove Account. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. It just signs you out of all Google apps on that device, including Photos, Gmail, and Drive. Once that's done, open the Google Photos app again, and you'll notice you're now signed out. If you ever want to sign back in, just tap your profile icon and select Add Another Account. Then log in using your email and password. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sign out of the Google Photos app. It's a simple trick, but super useful if you're switching accounts or sharing your phone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.